I built a tool that edits my YouTube videos for me using AI, and you're seeing it in action right now. So this took me a while to do, but I now have an app that can edit entire YouTube videos from start to finish, including motion graphics, titles, and animations, and it's pretty insane. And I mean, it does the whole thing, even if the video is like 25 or 30 minutes long. All I have to do is I sit down, I record myself talking to the camera like this for about a half an hour, and this app that I built takes all that raw footage and it cuts out every single mistake and every awkward pause, and then it adds in these animations and these titles and these graphics and turns it into a professional polished video like what you're seeing right now. And yeah, I know it's not perfect. There will be some errors in this edit, but this is like my third or fourth iteration with this AI, and the app just keeps getting better and better with every run. So this is the same style of video that used to take me hours and hours to edit, or cost me a small fortune if I handed it off to a professional editor. Editing's been pretty much the single biggest thing that's holding me back from posting more of these videos because it just takes forever. And a good editor is going to cost at least $25 per minute of edited content. So for like 20 minutes, you're looking at $500 a video. So I figured if I could actually pull this off by vibe coding my own AI video editing app, it would change everything about how often I'm able to show up here on YouTube and put these videos out for you guys. Plus, because I know how much of a bottleneck editing can be for other people, I think that this could actually be something that I could sell to people for a decent monthly price once I've developed this app all the way, and it's just gonna save them so much time and money. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what this thing does, how I built the whole thing without knowing how to write a single line of code, and a few of the things that I fucked up along the way so that hopefully you can learn from some of my mistakes. And by the way, if you're new here, I'm Nick Wharton, and AI crushed my blogging businesses back in 2023. So I spent 2 years kind of being pissed off at blogging and hating on AI and watching businesses that I'd spent over a decade building cut down to almost nothing. And so now, instead of being scared of AI, I'm using it to try to rebuild what I lost, or maybe to build some new tools and little businesses that will hopefully help me regain some of that income back. And I'm documenting this whole journey right here on YouTube. So if you happen to enjoy watching like a regular dude with no coding experience try to build a massive SaaS empire online, or maybe multiple SaaS businesses, then go ahead and hit subscribe and follow along for the journey. Okay, so let me back up a little bit and explain why I even started trying to build this AI video editing app in the first place. So the situation I was in is pretty simple, and I think a lot of creators are in the same situation. I want to put out a long form video on this channel every single week, maybe more, like maybe I want to do 2 or 3 a week. But editing a long video takes way too much time. So a solid edit on like a 20-something minute video can take even a professional editor like a full day or 2 of work, and they'll charge you hundreds of dollars, sometimes more than that, just to get that edit done. And when you're building a channel from nothing, like I'm trying to do right now, you can't exactly afford to drop that kind of money every single week on every video. So of course I could try to edit everything myself, but even though I've been editing videos since I was literally 14 years old, I'm still slow at it. And the stuff that I want to make, like it never comes out how I really want it. It never has that polished professional look that I want. So I was basically stuck because I don't mind like scripting my videos, and I like sitting down and talking to the camera like this, but trying to edit every video every week, it makes growing a YouTube channel feel like such a huge mountain to climb, and it makes me actually want to quit before I even get started. And so that's when I started wondering if I could actually build an app that uses AI to do the whole job for me in my style, the exact way that I would want it done. Let me walk you through what my AI editing software actually does now, because I still can't even believe how well this works. So like I said, it all starts with me just talking to the camera like this. I sit down in front of the camera, I've got my tripod here, and I just record myself for a half an hour or so, and I'm a complete mess when I do this. Like I stumble over my words, I start the same sentence 3 or 4 times, I lose my train of thought halfway through, and I go quiet for quite a few seconds while I try to figure out what I'm trying to say. And that happens whether I'm scripting a video or I'm just going off the cuff. So normally all of that is the exact stuff that an editor would have to go through and clean up, right? They'd have to listen through the whole video recording, find every single screw up, every all those errors, and basically cut them out to make one good clip that can be used in a video. But now for me, because I built this app, I just upload that raw clip into the app and it does all that for me. It listens to the whole recording, it writes down every single word I said with the exact split-second timing of each one, and then it goes through and pulls out every mistake, every false start, and every long pause, and it stitches together only the good takes into one clean video. On the last video, the raw clip that I did just sitting down recording like this was 36 minutes, but the app cut all that down to a tight 24-minute long video. Pull that off, on that video, it made 172 separate little cuts, and not one of them lost any actual content. Like it only ever cut the shit out that I didn't want. But the cutting out of the mistakes and stuff, that's the easy part of what this app is really doing. The part that actually still blows me away is what it does next. So once it has that clean cut, it goes back through the entire video and it adds graphics on top of me, like on the left of me, on the right of me, and titles and stuff on the screen. So I've set it to around one new element every 10 seconds for the entire length of the video, but I could crank that up or turn it down as I wanted. And the look of it actually is something I designed myself. So these frosted glass panels that kind of float over the video and animate in and out, that's my style, that's my design. But the cool part is how it ties every one of those graphics to what I'm actually saying at the time in the video. So when I'm talking about a specific company like Claude or Apple or ChatGPT, that company's real logo pops up on the screen right next to me at the exact moment that word leaves my mouth. And when I say a number like 160, a little counter on the screen spins up from 0 and lands on 160 right as I say it out loud. Then when I list a few things, each one of them slides onto the screen one at a time, perfectly in time with me saying it, instead of the whole thing just dumping onto the screen at once. And when I start talking about a specific website, a panel slides in from the side showing that actual live website scrolling on the page. And that's all done automatically, like it's insane. So how did I build this, right? And that's probably the part of this video that a lot of you are here for. Like, how did a guy that doesn't know what the hell he's doing build an app? So the answer is the same as it has been for pretty much everything I've made lately and shown on this channel. I built it by using Claude Code. So I just talked to my AI agent on Claude Code, who I call Winston. And I want to be really clear about that and what that actually means, because I never once sat down and wrote any of these lines of code myself. I just described what I wanted out loud in plain English, and Winston just went and wrote the actual working software that does it for me. So I'd say something like, find every spot in this video where I went quiet for more than a half a second and cut it out. But whatever you do, don't chop off the ends of any words and make sure you keep all the good content in. And Winston would just go build that and show me the result. And I'd tell him if it felt off or if it needed something to fix. And we just go back and forth like that. And the same thing goes with the graphics that are showing up on the screen and all the titles. I just told Winston what I wanted, like the style I wanted. I gave some screenshots maybe, and then we just went back and forth until everything looked the way I wanted it. And you've already seen a few of these titles on the screen already, like they've shown up so far in the video. But in total, there's like a dozen different title styles that Winston can add into these videos. Like this one that shows the text below me as I say each word. There's this one that's pretty much the same, but it shows the text off to the left as I say each word. There's this one that brings up a full screen white background with a quote that shows every word as I say it. This one that zooms in on me and then puts the box on the left. This one that puts the box on the right. There's this one that puts me on the left in a tablet view and then shows off stuff to the right of me in these boxes or animations as I say each thing. Then there's this lower third title that shows my name every time I introduce myself. There's this full screen title with text and animation showing with me in the bottom left of the screen, cut out so you can still see me talking while the info shows up on the side. And then there's these cool little boxes that show up beneath me as I'm talking as well. This is all done automatically, just based on the shit I'm saying in the video at the time, which is the most amazing part of this app. But I really don't want to make this sound like it was a one-shot and it just worked the first time, because it absolutely didn't. So there was a lot of back and forth with Winston and going through a lot of bad edits before we finally got to a point where we're at now. Like early on, the app kept on chopping off the ends of my words and it would put graphics over my face and it wouldn't time the graphics as I was actually saying the things. And sometimes the entire app would just crash. So yeah, it was a pain in the ass for a while, but really I basically built a working AI video editing app in just a few days. So now that it's working, all I have to do is record my video, then drop it into the app, and the app does everything else. When it's done, after about 45 minutes, it hands me a near finished final cut. But just like with human editors, I do still have to go back and forth a bit with Winston, but I would actually say that there's a lot less back and forth than there is with human editors. So I know this because last year I was publishing a lot of videos on my other YouTube channel, and we had great editors from Bangladesh who edited the videos, and those guys were pros. Like the videos were great. But because of the language barrier and the time zone difference, it would sometimes take a week of back and forth to get the video edited well enough that I was willing to publish it on my YouTube channel. But with this app, on the very first video that I ever edited, it took about 3 days of back and forth. On the second video, it was about 2 days. Now I can get a pretty sick video done in an afternoon. But there's still a little bit of back and forth on every video. So I actually created a separate part of the app that lets me watch the video back and give feedback on specific frames. So after the video is edited, it opens a preview in the app where I can watch the full video back. When I pause the video, I can add a note to the video like, move this title off to the right, or replace this title with another style. And that note gets sent to Winston automatically, and he starts working on it with full context of the exact second in the video where I want the edit, what needs changing, and how I want it done. So I even built in these little screenshots and markup so I can actually draw little arrows and squares over the video, point to specific things that I want changed. I used to pay for a separate software to do exactly this, and that cost me like $45 a month. And now it's built right into my own AI video editing app. And it actually works better than that other software because it's customized to my style of videos and exactly how I want the interface to look and feel. So I want to tell you where I think this is all heading, because this video editing tool really is just one piece of a much bigger machine that I'm trying to build. So right now, the video editing tool sits alongside my thumbnail tool that I showed in my last video that literally uploads my videos to YouTube, writes the description, creates the cards, adds chapters, adds tags, everything. But currently those are 3 separate apps: the video editor, the thumbnail generator, and the uploader. And then I kind of have to stitch it all together. So it's still only taken me a few minutes to do what maybe used to take me hours, but still, I want this to be in one app, like one workflow. So what I'm building now, and I'm honestly not that far from it, is that I just sit down, I record myself talking, and that's the only job that I have left to do for these videos. From there, the edit tool cuts the videos and animates it and adds all the titles and stuff. The thumbnail tool builds the thumbnail, and then the whole video gets uploaded to YouTube and scheduled to my next selected time slots automatically. So I show up, I talk to the camera, and the AI, or Winston as I call him, handles everything else in the background. So that's the goal anyway, but I honestly don't think that I'm more than a few days from having that whole thing set up. And this is just one of the many things that I'm building. Like, this whole workflow is just one thing. I also built a short form video editing tool that actually does all of this as well. So it cuts out mistakes, adds captions, adds text hooks, and then writes out the caption for me. It adds hashtags, and then it uploads it to all the short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, all in one click. Like, it's crazy. But that's obviously for another video. What I can say right now is that I've built all this in just a month total of using Claude Code. Me and Winston are just in my room, like, vibe coding every day, and we're building things that will save me hundreds of hours per year. And I'm sure that other people might want to buy these things one day because they're going to save other people time and money as well. So I'm so stoked about that. I actually already have a bunch of friends and colleagues asking me to beta test my video editing apps. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what they think and then kind of catering the apps to work for other people. But yeah, that's what I built this week. Like I said, if you're into this kind of stuff and you want to see how it goes, hit subscribe. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.